So let's talk a little bit about the results of poor posture. So everybody, if you don't have an injury, get into this position and feel yourself slouching, really exaggerate, okay? So what happens in this poor posture, and then go ahead and relax and just get neutral, is you have increased muscle tendon forces, restricted blood flow, limited available strength, and it can cause a compression of the nerves, especially the nerve bundle right here. Well, I was talking about the early warning signs of ergonomic injuries. This right here, if you're slouching like this, could cause thoracic outlet syndrome. It could press on the nerve, the median nerve or the ulnar nerve, and cause cubital tunnel is the ulnar nerve, and no one really talks about that, but sometimes people do have those symptoms. But sometimes people who have cubital tunnel, they're just diagnosed with tendinitis because they see it inflamed here, but it could all be connected, right? So it starts off in the muscles, then it goes to the tendons, and then it can start to press on the nerve. So that's some of the results of the poor posture, and that can be from seated or standing. And some of the reasons could be it's not the right job, things aren't within an easy reach, or it's just people have bad posture most of the time. That's true. And something to correct your posture is to just roll the shoulders back, kind of pinch the shoulder blades together, and then place your arms out to the side so the palms are facing up and the shoulders are down. It can counteract this movement here. Because if you're here, try to lift your arms, okay, and now try to be in a good posture. Ears, shoulders, hips in alignment, now lift. Can you see how it might affect your range of motion? And this is just to give you a visual of what we already talked about, neutral postures. Is anyone in this position? It's hard to find people in this position because most of the time people are not aware of the position that they need to be, that their shoulders should be relaxed, that their wrists are slightly lower than elbows.